The Mavic Air from DJI has just been announced, and the question in everyone's mind, at least in my mind, is what the hell am I gonna do with this? I just bought this, it's great. I still love you, precious one. It's not your fault. Shh, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. As you can see, it suffered some damage since the last time you saw it. Might have crashed it, don't need to get into that. Image quality, portability, price. These are the three pillars I must balance to decide which drone is the best for me. What's best for me might not necessarily be what's best for you. However, the value present in a drone like the DJI Mavic Pro and now the DJI Mavic Air is incontrovertible. Check out my full review of the Mavic Pro for all the details, but something you will hear me talk about over and over whenever I'm discussing the Mavic Pro is its size. It's a hard thing to get over. Forget about not having to spend $100,000 to rent a helicopter with a camera mounted on it. We don't need to get into it again in this video. Again, check out my full review. The Mavic Pro is small. Small. And in a way, because of its foldable legs, it's kind of more portable than the Spark itself, the smallest of the DJI drones. Well, the Mavic Air is even smaller than the Pro and also has foldable legs. A drone that can truly fit in the palm of your hand. I mean, I know this can kind of like... I have big hands, what can I say? And perhaps more importantly, because of its foldable legs, it can fit neatly in any bag. The drone itself comes in a case very reminiscent of those included with headphones. You know, the big over-the-ear headphones. A drone the size of your headphones. We truly are living in the future. Okay, it's a small drone, we've seen those everywhere. Most of them are more toys than anything. What about image quality? Would you believe me if I told you that the image quality is better than the Mavic Pro? 4K 30 frames per second, the same as the Mavic Pro, but the big difference between the two is that the Mavic Air records at a bitrate of 100 megabits per second. And what this means is that when you export your video, when you compress it, when you upload, when you play it back, all these different algorithms will have almost double the information to work with, which will make for a final image of much higher quality. So we have a more portable drone with a higher image quality. What about the price? $799. $200 less than the Mavic Pro. Do I wish it would cost $200, $300 less? Of course, but you know, my prayers have been answered. The official price for the Mavic Pro is $999. However, last time I saw it on Amazon, it was at about $860. So about $60 less than the Mavic Air. I'll include a link in the description. But David, you said the Mavic Air is better than the Mavic Pro. Why would I go and spend $60 more on the Mavic Pro? Was that offensive? You don't sound like that, I'm sorry. There are a few things that the Pro actually does better, mainly battery life and range. Also, I get the feeling that the Pro, being the bigger drone, would handle better in strong winds. The Mavic Pro has an official maximum flight time of 27 minutes versus the Air's 21 minutes, which might not seem like a lot, but those extra batteries are like $80 each, and those minutes will add up. You can also control the Mavic Pro over 3 times the distance than the Mavic Air, 7 kilometers versus 2 kilometers. Having said that, you really want to keep your drone in your line of sight. It can get very dangerous if you don't, believe me. And if you fly them too far away, these things completely lose themselves in the sky. Which is why I would personally go with the red color of the Mavic Air. Anything that might help me not lose sight of the drone so easily, I'll welcome it. Of course, if there's a crash or anything happens, the Air, being the smaller drone, would probably cause less damage than the Pro. Safety first. The choice is yours, but it seems to me that DJI's greatest competitor remains DJI themselves. So hats off to them. Well done. But anyway, I hope you guys saw my community post, but if you didn't, like I warned a few videos back, I will be taking the next couple of months off YouTube to work on that other project I'm working on. But I will be back in full force, and this time for good, in April. I might still post a video here and there, but you can always follow me on Twitter and Instagram to keep up with whatever I am doing at the moment. You'll see me back here before you know it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. But either way, Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.